Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano, once again demonstrated its power. Early Monday morning, the towering natural giant on the Italian island of Sicily erupted with increasing intensity, sending a giant plume of ash, hot gas, and volcanic material clearly visible from a distance. Images and videos widely shared on social media showed a thick, black ash cloud rising into the sky, while incandescent material spilled from the volcano's slopes. The eruption was recorded by the Etna Observatory of the Italian National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, which began detecting increased volcanic activity at 12:39 a.m. local time. According to the INGV, the eruption was strombolian, a type of eruption characterized by periodic explosions caused by the accumulation of gas within a magma chamber. When gas bubbles reach the surface, they burst abruptly, sending rocks and ash into the air, in a process similar to the sudden popping of a soda bottle cap. Most importantly, footage from Monday showed pyroclastic flows, a deadly mixture of ash, hot gas, and rock rapidly descending from the southeastern rim of the volcano. Geologists believe a portion of Mount Etna's crater collapsed, triggering an avalanche of volcanic material down the slopes. Pyroclastic flows are known to be one of the most dangerous phenomena in volcanic eruptions. Temperatures can reach hundreds of degrees Celsius and move at high speeds. However, the INGV emphasized that the volcanic material had not yet reached the Valley of the Lions, the area on the summit trail where the official tourist trail ends, so there was no immediate threat to the organization. A code red alert was issued on Monday morning due to the danger of volcanic ash to aviation. This type of eruption poses a significant risk to aircraft, as ash can damage jet engines. However, flight operations at Sicilian airports, including Catania, were reported to be normal, and the alert was later lowered. However, the situation on the slopes was far from calm. Dozens of climbers were forced to evacuate after ignoring official warnings and continuing their ascent to the summit. Videos circulating showed tourists running down the slopes as thick ash billowed into the sky, creating a tense and eerie atmosphere. There was a big explosion and part of the crater collapsed, but it happened in a remote area, said Salvo Casina, head of Sicily's Civil Protection Department. It's very difficult to restrict access to Mount Etna. You can't fence it off. Fortunately, there were no reports of injuries. On Tuesday, the official alert level was lowered to yellow, the standard status that still indicates active volcanic activity. At about 3,350 meters high and 35 kilometers wide, Mount Etna is a symbol of the immense power of nature. Eruptions are no stranger to the mountain. The last major one occurred last February and forced dozens of flights to be canceled due to the ash cloud. Despite its danger, Etna remains a magnet for tourists and climbers from around the world. Many climbing routes are considered safe even when the volcano is active, as long as strict regulations are followed. The experience of witnessing an eruption up close is a mixture of awe and adrenaline, said mountain guide Saro Trovato, who climbed Etna legally during the February eruption. Even from the view, the heat from the fresh lava flow can be felt. However, authorities have emphasized that climbers above 2,500 meters must be accompanied by a certified mountain guide for safety reasons. Authorities continue to urge tourists to exercise caution, as anything can happen at any time. On Tuesday, several climbers reported reaching 2,700 meters, even though volcanic activity has not yet completely subsided. This latest eruption is another reminder that beneath its beauty and allure, Mount Etna harbors a destructive force that can become a deadly threat in an instant.